Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Sisi here or Wambo. Today guys, I'll be able to show you how I use my Celery at home. So guys, I've already washed my Celery. As you can see, I've already washed them. And so what I need to do is to show you how I will cut them. So guys, I've already removed my leaves. I've already cut them. Here is the leaves. Normally you can use the leaves to make salad if you want. And now I have the stalk. So what I normally do, I just cut them. So make sure you remove the down part, the hard ones. And so this is what you need to remain with it. So I'll be able to cut them. I think a lot of people, what I have seen, a lot of Kenyans, they don't know how to use the celery, the mint. Most of them, they don't know about these things. There are few who know about it. You can even get it in the market and people are not buying because they don't know how to use it. So this is how I cut my celery. So this is how I cut my celery and I'm ready to use it. How I use it, guys, I'll be able to show you. Most of the time, you can eat it when it's raw. You just eat and chew. Normally, celery is good for you, especially for someone with a smelly sweat. It's good for you. You can be able to chew and have it like salad with carrots. You cut carrots, same size, and you eat it when they are raw. Another method, I have mint with me. This is mint. I've already washed it. And this is my celery. And guys, I'll be able to show you what I want to do with my celery and the mint. And also another way, you can be able to cook it with beef. You can be able to add in your food or you can be able to add it in your soup. So I'll show you how I'll use it, my mint and my celery. So guys, this is what I will make with my mint. You remember I was showing how I will make my mint and celery as I was cutting. So today I will show you how I'm going to use it. This is my celery. This is my mint leaves. And before I continue, guys, let me clean my hands. I had cleaned my hands before, but now I will clean them again. So, I have prepared my mint leaves, I have prepared my celery, and I have pineapples with me. I have cucumbers with me, if you can be able to see, and then have an apple. So guys, I'll show you how I make my shake. And this is cinnamon powder. So I'll show you how I make my healthy shake. So I just add water and then I'll add my pineapples. It's really nice. And then I'll add my mint. Just my mint. I love mint. I love mint. So I'll put a lot of mint. And this is celery. I'll put celery there. I'll put celery, and also I'll be able to put cucumber, so I'll cut it to slices. And also I'll be able to put my apple. If you have green apple, it's best, but for me I'll be using the red one because it was hard for me to find a green one where I am living. They have only red apples available, so I'll cut my apples. I have cleaned already. So if you want it to be sweet and more sweet, you can add pineapple. I love pineapple. So I think that's enough. And also, I'll be able to add my cinnamon powder. Not too much cinnamon powder. And I will add it. And also, I'll be able to add my flax seeds that I blend before. Let me get it. So guys, this is my flax seeds powder, and I have them, so whenever I need them, I normally blend them and make into powder form. So this is how flax seeds looks like. These are flax seeds. So what I do, I buy them and blend them little, like for using for 4 days or 5 days. Don't blend a lot. I only blend the one I can be able to use for 1 week, and it's better to keep blending, like to be more fresh all the time. So you have to reserve more to keep blending whenever you need it. So those are flaxseed seeds. And some people get confused with black seeds. So this is how black seeds look like. These are black seeds. You can see they are so tiny. So these are black seeds. These are black seeds. So don't confuse black seeds with flax seeds. Let me show you. I hope you've seen the difference. Let me put in my hand so you can be able to see the difference. A lot of Kenyans, they are confusing this. This is flax seed. This is black seeds. So you can see the difference of flax seeds and black seeds. So I normally get them at Quickmart. Quickmart, you can be able to get all the organic you want. And so I'll be able to cover my I think I'll add more water. I'll be able to cover it. Oh, sorry. I didn't add my flax seeds powder. So with my flax seeds powder, I normally need like that. So I'll put it. So remember this, I made it by myself. I bought the seeds and blend it. Then I'll put in my blender. guys, I normally use NutriBullet 600 series. So now I'm gonna shake it and let me return it for a short while. Okay, so guys, my mix is ready, and then I'll pour it in my mug and ready to drink. This is how it looks like. So I'll put a straw. I'll be able to mix it and have it. Very nice. Try to have this at home, especially during after your lunch, or you can even keep it in your fridge. You can have it after lunch and also before dinner. You can drink it. It's very, very nice. Thank you for watching, and like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.